Types of verbs. What is a verb? A verb describes an action or state of being. Action verbs. Action verbs express physical or mental action done by someone or something. Example for action verbs are read, run, play, work, etc. We play football. In this sentence, play is an action verb and it is physical action verb. Play is a physical activity. Next, I read newspaper daily. In this sentence, read is an action verb and it is mental action verb. Read is mental activity. Action verbs are two types. They are transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs. When action verbs have a noun or pronoun as object to receive action, those verbs are called transitive verbs. For example, she taught. This sentence doesn't have any object and it doesn't make sense. Look at the next example. She taught English. In this sentence, English is object and it is a noun. This sentence makes sense. So, these type of verbs are called transitive verbs. Transitive verbs have noun or pronoun as object to receive action. Next, intransitive verbs. When action verbs don't have object to receive action, those verbs are called intransitive verbs. Example, the baby smiled. This sentence doesn't have any object. In this sentence, smiled is verb. Without object also, this sentence makes sense. This type of verbs are called intransitive verbs. Next, auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are known as helping verbs which are used as main verbs also. Be form verbs, have form verbs and do form verbs are called auxiliary verbs. First, be auxiliaries. Am, is, or, was, were, be, being, been. These verbs are called be auxiliaries. Example, she is a teacher. In this sentence, be auxiliary verb is has been used as main verb. Next example, she is teaching English. In this sentence, is has been used as auxiliary verb and the main verb is teaching. Next, have auxiliaries. Has, have and had or have auxiliaries. Example, I have a car. It is in this sentence, have has been used as main verb. Next example, I have bought a new car. In this sentence, have has been used as auxiliary verb and the main verb is bought. Next, do auxiliaries. Do, does, did or do auxiliary verbs. Example, I do homework. In this sentence, do has been used as main verb. Do you know English? In this sentence, do has been used as auxiliary verb. In this sentence, know is main verb. Modal auxiliaries. Modal verbs are called modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries express abilities, possibilities, permissions, requests, obligations and offers. Example for modal auxiliaries can, could, may, might, will, shall, should, etc. I can speak English fluently, its ability. At my train today, its possibility. May I come in, permission. Would you help me, request. Children should obey their parents. Obligation, I will prepare breakfast for you, offer. Next, regular verbs. By adding suffix d, ed, ied with present tense regular verbs, past and past participle forms are formed. Example, die. This is present tense verb. By adding d, you will get past tense and past participle forms. Die in past tense died and past participle also died. Next, work. As present tense verb, we add ed to get past tense and past participle forms. Work, worked, worked. Study. We add ied in the place of y to get past tense and past participle forms. Study, studied, studied. Next, irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are three types. All the three forms are different, that is one type, that is present, past and past participle forms. Next, any two forms are same and one is different, it is another type. And third type is all the three forms are same. Example, write. Write is present tense verb. In past tense it will become wrote, and past participle written, it is first form. Write, wrote, written. All the three forms are different. Second type, come, came, come. In this sentence two forms are same, that is present tense and past participle, both are same. Past tense is different, it is second form. Next, put, put, put. All the three forms are same, it is third type. Next, stative verbs. Stative verbs express state rather than action. Stative verbs are not used in continuous form. Stative verbs are related to senses, feelings, thoughts and measurements. Example, smell, taste, love, believe, recognize, weigh, etc. I love music. In this sentence, love is stative verb. You can't say I am loving music. So you can't add ing with love. Next, I don't believe her. In this sentence, believe is a stative verb. You can't say I am not believing her, which will be wrong. Next, phrasal verbs. A main verb with combination of an adverb or preposition or both is called phrasal verb. Example, he gave up smoking. In this sentence, give up is a phrasal verb. It is a combination of verb gave and preposition have.